Hello everyone, we are here with Corentin Moutet. He's the second seeded of the Zadar Open. How do you like it so far? How do you like the hotel and the organization of the tournament?
For the moment, I like it. I like it a lot. It was good. It's nice conditions, nice place. It's my first time here, so I hope I'm gonna enjoy it more. But for the moment, I like it.
You will be facing the defending champion of last year, Teniski. What are your thoughts on your opponent?
Yeah, he's definitely good players. Like all of us here, I never played him. He's lefty like me, so I think it's gonna be a great match. I'm gonna try my best. I'm playing good lately, good level, so I hope it's gonna be on my side tomorrow.
We wish you good luck, and it's your first time in Zadar. Did you manage to do some sightseeing yet?
Like what kind of side things?
Sightseeing in the city. Did you go to the city and
Yeah.
look around?
Yeah, I had good addresses from the tournament to go to the restaurant. So yeah, I tried one restaurant in Zadar yesterday, and for the moment I'm just focusing on the tournament. So mostly sport.
The restaurant was from me. That's why it was good. Good luck for the tournament.
Thank you.